Korea's stock market made several moves worth tracking today. KOSPI fell 11% in a single week and is clinging to the 6,000 level. One camp of analysts sees a rebound toward 9,000 by year-end. Another sees no floor at all. Starting the first trading day of November, Korea's exchange will begin publicly naming roughly 220 low PBR listed companies. Short-term corporate bond demand is reviving, concentrated in maturities of 2 years or less. It's Wednesday, July 29th. Here's what investors are watching in Korea today. Korea's stock market has been on edge since a sharp weekly slide dragged the index toward the psychological 6,000 line. 5 senior analysts weighed in this week, and none of them offered a specific downside support level for the index. That disagreement itself has become a story, feeding uncertainty among both retail and institutional investors. Here's what the numbers show. IBK Securities' senior strategist pointed to technical support in the 5,500 to 6,000 range. Eugene Investment projected a rebound toward 9,000 points by year-end, a target that assumes buying momentum returns quickly. The Korea Exchange's plan to publicly flag low PBR companies takes effect on November 2nd, covering roughly 220 stocks. Short-term corporate bond investors concentrated fresh demand in maturities of 2 years or under this week. Shinsegae is reportedly reviewing a new investment in K-beauty brand APLB through its overseas retail arm alongside a private equity partner. So what does this mean for global market followers tracking Korea? Earlier, we said no analyst offered a clear floor for the index. Here's what that actually means for you. Until the 6,000 level either holds decisively or breaks, position sizing should account for both a snapback toward 9,000 and further downside. The low PBR disclosure rule adds a second variable, since it could redirect institutional flows toward roughly 220 previously overlooked names starting in November. Looking ahead, watch 3 things. Whether KOSPI holds the 6,000 level through this week's close, how the November 2nd low PBR disclosure list affects trading in flagged names, and whether short-term bond issuance keeps building as investors crowd into shorter maturities. That's today's AI Prism, Securities Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Juan Ifrah award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.